Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best external hard drive for camera you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Transcend 2TB StoreJet External Hard Drive. We've long recommended the Transcend StoreJet M3 for travelers on a budget. While recent price drops on the Silicon Power A60 above make it our current budget pick, the StoreJet M3 is a worthy competitor if you're more worried about drops than water damage. Its rugged enclosure, with its anti-shock rubber case and internal suspension system, ensures the drive takes minor knocks and bumps in its stride. USB 3.1 Gen 1 support, 5 Gbps, gets the most speed out of the 5400 RPM drive during data transfers, with USB 2 compatibility for older machines. The StoreJet ships with some basic backup software, and if you use it, there's a button on the drive that lets you do one-touch backups. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, the M3 is a solid, reasonably priced storage option for travelers. The rubberized outer casing is shock-tested to US military standards, and it conceals a special drop-resistant hard drive suspension system. That's a good thing, as inside lurks a conventional mechanical hard drive, but this one's no slouch. In our hands, it managed healthy read and write speeds when transferring images and video, beating the popular WD My Passport. Both the 1TB and TB capacities are little more than their equivalent WD drives. Pros: reasonable price. Can handle drops. USB 2 support. Cons: no official. Number 2. LaCie Rugged Mini 2TB External Hard Drive. The LaCie was the go-to portable hard drive for a long time. They were the leaders of durable material, giving it a rugged look that was also useful. The design of the orange bumper is synonymous and looks great, albeit a little fun. It is drop-resistant up to 4 feet, 1.2 meters, and waterproof to boot. If this wasn't enough, it is also crush-proof, making it perfect for action shots and adventure photography. This is what you want for all outdoor photography and video storage. The 5400 RPM speed isn't as fast as the 7200, but good enough for protecting your images. LaCie's rugged SSD is their latest portable storage solution, released alongside the Pro and Boss drives. As the name implies, it's a rugged drive built with durability and ultra-fast speeds in mind. Released in the fall of 2019, LaCie aims this drive at working professionals looking for a fast, secure option designed to handle the rough conditions of traveling. With that, it offers an IP67 rating, which allows it to withstand extreme dust or submerged in water. And it's also strong enough to survive 3 meters drops and a 2-ton crush test. They also format this drive as an XFIT device for simple cross-compatibility with both Windows and macOS. For connectivity, it uses a USB Type-C, USB 3.1 Gen 2, which delivers speeds of 950 Mbps, nearly twice as fast as the standard portable SSD model. LaCie also includes their toolkit for self-encrypting technology to safeguard the data with convenient 256-bit AES password protection. And like the G drive, it too boasts a 5-year warranty. They also include a rescue data recovery service and a 1-month complimentary membership to Adobe's Creative Cloud as a bonus to sweeten the deal. Number 3. WD-4TB My Passport External Hard Drive. The latest generation of the Western Digital My Passport Ultra range of external hard drives is here, coming in sizes from 1TB to 4TB. And they're among the best external hard drives out there. It features cloud storage and 256 AES encryption, along with WD's own software suite. It is a good performer when it comes to data transfer speeds, but doesn't come near the top of the leaderboard. Unsurprisingly, it doesn't reach the top speeds of solid-state external drives, but for external hard drives based on traditional HDDs, this is the drive to consider. If you're looking for the absolute largest capacity external hard drive, then the WD MyBook Duo 4TB is the one to get, offering a sizable 4TB. You can also get versions with up to 20 TB of storage space over 2 hard drives. You might sacrifice some of the ample storage space if you don't mind losing some, so you can set the drives up in a RAID array so you have file backups of your files should one of the drives die. This USB 3.0 drive has many of the features of a fully fledged NAS device, including a high price, and if you have a router with a USB 3.0 port, you could use this as a network-attached storage device in its own right. The device, which comes with 2-year warranty, has 256-bit AES hardware encryption and automatic backup software, WD Smartware Pro. Worth noting that the enclosure used is fully serviceable and that WD ships the drive already pre-formatted for Windows users, NTFS. Number 4. SP Silicon Power 2TB Rugged Portable External Hard Drive. The Silicon Power A60 adds some much-needed extra durability. Along with IPX4 rated protection against spraying water, the drive's rugged rubberized case gives a useful degree of shock protection. Performance is reasonable for a spinning drive like this at around 120 MB per second, and there's both USB 3.1, Gen 1, and USB 2 support. The A60 is slim and fairly lightweight, with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Like all such warranties, though, it only covers the drive, not the data on it. A short USB-A to USB-A cable is included, which wraps neatly around the drive so it doesn't get lost. Put simply, this is a great portable drive option for travelers on a budget, with more protection from the elements than you'd expect for the price. The A60 takes advantage of a USB 3.0 cable, which conveniently affixes to the drive itself and is compatible with Mac and PC devices, courtesy of the FAT32 file system. That said, our benchmarks found it delivered fairly modest, though reasonable, transfer speeds. Between 128 and 132 MB per second read and 118 and 120 MB per second writes for a 1 GB file. Pros: low price, water resistant, attractive case with cable storage. Cons: no official. Number 5. WD1TB My Passport Wireless Pro Portable External Hard Drive. If you're looking for the absolute largest capacity external hard drive, then the WD MyBook Duo 4TB is the one to get, offering a sizable 4TB. You can also get versions with up to 20 TB of storage space over 2 hard drives. You might sacrifice some of the ample storage space if you don't mind losing some, so you can set the drives up in a RAID array so you have file backups of your files should one of the drives die. This USB 3.0 drive has many of the features of a fully fledged NAS device, including a high price, and if you have a router with a USB 3.0 port, you could use this as a network-attached storage device in its own right. The device, which comes with 2-year warranty, has 256-bit AES hardware encryption and automatic backup software, WD Smartware Pro. Worth noting that the enclosure used is fully serviceable and that WD ships the drive already pre-formatted for Windows users, NTFS. If someone tries to tamper with your storage drive, you can configure it to self-destruct. What's more, the data is encrypted by the 256-bit AES protocol, with multiple forms of protection in place to ensure the bad guys don't get in, no matter how persistent. When you consider all that extra security, the prices won't scare you away either. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.